It sure looks like NFTs are here to stay, but if you've been looking into investing in NFTs in hopes of flipping them for a decent profit, you might feel a bit discouraged by how incredibly expensive some of them are. Bored Apes, for example, are selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Fortunately, there are a couple ways to make money with NFTs without having to invest all of your hard-earned cash. Here are 3 of the best ways to make money with NFTs, no investing required. Selling your own NFTs. While it will take some strategy to become the next big NFT project, creating your own NFTs is a great way to enter the lucrative space. But first things first, you'll need to make or mint an NFT. To transform any of your digital or physical art into an NFT, you'll have to choose an NFT platform and create a digital wallet. Here's how you can do so using OpenSea and MetaMask, the most popular NFT marketplace and digital wallet combo. You can start by downloading the MetaMask wallet extension through their website and installing it into your Google Chrome browser. After creating a new wallet and seed phrase, you'll then need to add some crypto to the wallet, either by purchasing it through MetaMask or sending it from another cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. After you've set up your wallet and added some funds to it, the next step is connecting your wallet to the NFT platform of your choosing. On OpenSea, it's as easy as hitting the Connect Wallet button in the corner of the page. After following the prompts and getting your wallet linked onto the platform, you'll then need to upload the file that you're wanting to turn into an NFT. After you've uploaded your file, you'll be shown a preview of what your NFT post is going to look like. The next step is to choose how you want to sell your NFT, selecting either an auction or a fixed buy it now price. After listing it, you may want to go on social media platforms like TikTok and Twitter to promote your work and generate buzz. With great artwork and a solid social media strategy, you could be selling out an NFT collection in no time. And if you aren't much of an artist, you can always outsource your NFT artwork by going through a freelance platform such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com. And that brings us to the second strategy for making money with NFTs. Do freelance NFT work. While you can generally make more profit by doing everything yourself, there are plenty of people out there looking to hire NFT artists so that they can capitalize on the NFT trend. If you're not interested in the headache of getting a whole project off the ground, this may be the best way to get involved. NFT projects will generally be looking for artists to help bring their project to life, although there are also tons of opportunities in social media and programming. In addition to getting paid to do the work, you may be able to secure yourself royalties in a project, producing even more profits when the project is released and starts trading. Of course, if you can get your name on an NFT project, it can also create demand for your skills from other NFT projects, leading to future work. Play to earn NFT games. If you're not artistically skilled, another great way to earn cash on the side with NFTs is by playing one of the many play to earn NFT games. There are many games out there that require little to no upfront investment to get started. And then by playing the games, you can earn cryptocurrency and NFTs that you can sell for additional profit. There are tons of options out there, with the top games including Gods Unchained, Axie Infinity, and CryptoKitties. To learn a little bit more about how to get started with these games, check out this video on the top free-to-play NFT games that start earning you money today. We'll see you in the next video.